In today's fast-paced world, getting a good night's sleep can be a challenge. Many of us find ourselves tossing and turning, struggling to fall asleep. While many factors contribute to sleep quality, what you eat before bed can make a significant difference. Here are 7 foods that are known to promote restful sleep. 1. Bananas. Bananas are a sleep-friendly superfood rich in potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that help relax muscles and calm the body. They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can increase serotonin and melatonin levels in the brain. Serotonin plays a key role in mood regulation, while melatonin is responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. So, if you are looking for a natural way to prepare your body for rest, a banana might be just what you need. 2. Cherries. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are a natural source of melatonin. Studies have shown that consuming cherry juice can increase melatonin levels and improve sleep quality. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or as juice, adding cherries to your evening routine can help regulate your sleep patterns and make it easier to fall asleep. 3. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of magnesium, a mineral that has been linked to improved sleep. Magnesium helps reduce inflammation and promotes muscle relaxation, both of which can contribute to a more restful night's sleep. Additionally, almonds are a source of healthy fats and protein, which can keep you satisfied without feeling overly full. 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is not just for breakfast, it can also be a soothing bedtime snack. The complex carbohydrate in oatmeal can help increase serotonin production, leading to a calming effect on the brain. This makes oatmeal a great option if you want something warm and comforting before bed. Try adding a small amount of honey or some sliced banana to make it even more enticing. 5. Turkey. Turkey is known for its high tryptophan content, the same amino acid found in bananas. Tryptophan has been linked to increased melatonin production, which can help you fall asleep faster. A small serving of turkey before bed can be a satisfying and sleep-inducing snack, especially when paired with a complex carbohydrate. 6. Warm milk. The age-old remedy of warm milk before bed has some scientific backing. Milk contains tryptophan and calcium, both of which can promote relaxation and sleep. The warmth of the milk can also have a calming effect, helping to soothe your nerves after a long day. If you are lactose intolerant, consider plant-based milk alternatives that offer similar benefits. 7. Herbal teas. Herbal teas such as chamomile and valerian root have long been used to promote relaxation and improve sleep. Chamomile in particular is known for its calming properties, while valerian root has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for insomnia. A cup of herbal tea before bed can be a soothing way to wind down and prepare for a good night's sleep. These 7 foods are not only delicious but also have unique properties. So the next time you are struggling to sleep, try one of these sleep-friendly foods to help you drift off like a baby. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care.